Hello everyone, how are you? Today we'll be discussing how you can close your apps on your iPhone 16e. If you are a new user to an iPhone 16 or iPhone and you are opening any multiple apps, how you can close the app is just swiping up like this from the bottom of the phone, and all apps will come like this, and you can swipe and choose any app you want to access. And if you want to close that app permanently, just swipe upside and it will just close it down. Swipe upside and it will close down. I'll do it again. If you have any app open and you want to use another app, for example, I'm using AliExpress and I want to go back to the Instagram, just swipe up like this and I can come back to it, and just swipe up like this and I come back to it. If I want to close this app, just swipe upside and it will go. I hope this video help out in your iPhone experience and using your phone. If you still have any other question, just let me know and I'll try to answer as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.